Welcome back to yet again another outdoor adventure. Last time you guys seen us, we were over at Clinton Lake chasing some beautiful Central Illinois crappie in middle of December on the kayaks. Today we are going to be heading over to Giant Goose Ranch in Canton, Illinois to do some ice fishing. We got a cabin for the weekend and we're going to be hanging out with Nick B outside and Kraz Nation outdoors. We've already got the truck loaded up. Enough of my rambling, let's get to it. We'll catch you guys along the way. Today we are at Giant Goose Ranch with my boy Nick B and Kraz Nation outdoors. He's getting ready to come out now. If it isn't the man himself. Alright, you guys, finally got ourselves set up here. Marking some fish. See if we can't catch them here. We're on. Good fish. Yeah, it is. Hey. Try this again. That was kind of crazy. That happened really fast. That fish showed up and I'm sure there's more in here. So what we're using here, you guys, this is a Vexilar. And I'll get a camera shot of this working before we call it a day. And what it does is it shows you a down image and it bounces a wave off the bottom. You can watch your lure fall and you can watch fish nose up to your bait. I physically watched that bluegill hit, so it's kind of cool. It's like the early days of live scope, but this is a cheap man's way of getting out here and catching some fish. We've got some minnows set up. We've got tip ups ran down this skinny little strip hit here. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna get hit, you guys. We got a nice fish. We got a nice fish. Oh my. Oh, bro. Get after him, I know. Bro, I thought it broke off. Look how fat. Stud.
Watch. They already went past. I can't get them to turn around now. Yup, is there a few coming? No.
I'll be back. Get on them for a second. Look at this pile of gills he's got. I mean, look at these.
Guys, you know, I've been seeing this go on over the past not even half hour. I already got my limit of gills on this pond. The way this place works is most of the time
gonna send this guy back down the hole. Nice bluegill. That's what I wanted right there. Come grab this Vexy, please.
Let me drop down with my line and then
Diesel gill. Diesel gill.
here, watch this. Drop the Vex back in there. I don't even need the Vex. Watch, I just know they're down there. Throw fish anyway. Oh my god. Here, you want to have fun on hooking in front of the camera? Clown for me on my video.
You said clown for him.
Clown for me.
Look at this guy. He didn't want me to help him out, you know. This is the size of fish he's over here catching. What can you do about it? It's unbelievable. No, he got him a solid little guy. He got him another one. He's coming.
Hold on, stay right there, Cody. Let's count on this one too. Alright, y'all. Micro largemouth on the tip up. Probably gonna let those rest for a little bit if that's what we're gonna be getting on them, and just jig some plastic for crappies and stuff. But pretty cool.
Hey, you're right.
Bobber?
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh, big fish on the bobber. Big fish on the bobber. Just took the bobber down.
Sorry, dude. I happened to look up and look over, and it was gone.
Oh, that's a better fish. That's a better fish. It's not giant. It's not a giant. It's just a little largemouth. Might be a big crappie. Yeah, you see him coming? It's a largemouth.
It's a good largemouth. Best one of the trip so far.
Look at him. Look at him. It's like a pound, but it was a cool little fight.
Tell him about it.
I wanted him a little fathead minnow, didn't he, folks? Didn't he? I'll just give him a quick release because I'm actually trying to go jig in front of the Sony for you guys. It's been a fun little day out here.
Good stuff, buddy.
Still on there. Get him.
Oh, big fish.
Go slow. Go slow.
Big fish.
Let him pull if he pulls. Cause he looks like he's pulling. Let him do your thing. Do your thing, Cody. Like if you okay, let him go. Like it's okay to like use
You're
your
good.
hands
We're
to
good.
drag. You feel him?
Yeah, we're good.
You know what you're
Bro,
doing.
big head shakes.
Big bass probably. Probably a huge bass. I think it's actually a big.
Bro, like big head shakes. Oh, look, there he is. What is it?
Be careful.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Yeah, it's a big old cat.
Help me.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, his fins are stuck in the little hole. Just pull him up. Easy cat.
Let's go.
It was going popping, but Cody was like, I'm cool under pressure, Nick. And I got him.
Let's go.
Awesome.
Look at this, guys. My guy Cody set one of my tip ups out. Got a channel catfish through the ice. That is what I'm hoping to do this weekend at some point. We'll see what happens.
Little update as to what's going on. I think we've all got our limit of bluegills. We got a nice crappie and a nice catfish.
Folks, on the bluegills. Yeah, the one that was right above me. Audio's probably crappy. Deal with it. We're sorry. Look at that. Beautiful bluegill. Ooh, guys. Beautiful Central Illinois bowgiller. Come on.
Oh, there's one coming back.
Oh, here it comes, Cody.
Yep.
I got it.
You got it. On the micro, buddy. Oh, you. Bro, I'm so cold, I'm missing my shots now. I wasn't missing earlier. I'm gonna take a break. Get down, bro. Look, this hole's open. This hole, we've caught them in every hole. I'm just bouncing around because there's some sort of structure here. I got snagged on it earlier.
Yeah, I bet.
Bro, that's a stupid big crappie. Look at this crappie, you guys.
He ain't on a beam. Shit. You see that man right there? He ain't on a beam.
As the guys start packing up the truck, I'm sitting here reflecting on how good of a weekend we had out on the ice. If you and your family or you and your friends have the opportunity to rent a cabin from Giant Goose Ranch, do so and go over and do some ice fishing or do some spring and summer bass fishing or multi-species fishing at the numerous amount of strip pits that are fully stocked by Herman Brothers Fish Hatchery. If you made it this far in the video, please do us a favor, consider subscribing. If you haven't already, smash that like button and drop a comment. And we will see you on the next outdoor adventure.